How to color calibrate your display on Windows. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily color calibrate your display. First thing you want to do is go to the search icon and then search for DCCW and run this command. As you can see here, you can improve the color on your display by using the display color calibration to make sure that your color appear accurately. So just go ahead and click on it. Click on how to calibrate my display. That's going to take you to another site that you can use. Now all you have to do is just go ahead and click on next. And to get started with the basics color settings, you can press the menu button on the display. The menu button usually located in front of your computer and open up your screen. You can just follow all of these instructions. Here you can see the gamma defines the mathematical relationship between the red, green, and blue colors values that are sent to the display and the amount of light that's ultimately emitted from it. And keep tapping next. Here you can adjust the correction. You can move the slider up and down. And to minimize the visibility of the small dots in the middle, you could just go ahead and calibrate it. It's the small dots usually disappear when your calibration is around somewhere in the middle, like so. And once you have done that, just go ahead and click on reset and then click on next. Then you could also skip the brightness and contrast adjustments for now. And for your color balance adjustments, it determines how shades of gray appear on your display. You can move the red, green, blue sliders on the next page to remove any color cast from the gray bars. Now click on next. Here are the sliders. So as you can see here, if I move my red slider all the way to the left, there isn't any red left on my screen. You can do the same thing for green and blue as well. Once that is done, tap on next. Now you can choose previous calibration or current calibration. You can compare it and then tap on finish. After all of that is done, you can make the text on your screen easier to read. Keep tapping next. And then you can select a text sample, which one looks the best for you. I'll just select this one. And then among these, select which one looks the best for you. I'll obviously select the first one because the others I cannot properly read, or there are some visual disturbances. I'll just tap on next again, select this one since this one is the best. And from these lists, I can just go ahead and select this one over here, or I could just do this one as well, depending on your choice. And then click on finish. That's basically it, guys. That's how you do a color calibration on your Windows display. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.